Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Health Equity account. If your account on Health Equity isn't working correctly, like your balance look wrong, you cannot log in or your card wasn't work. Let's get started. First, log into your Health Equity account using the app or website. Look for any alert, message or notification at the top of the screen. Health Equity often posts notice if they delay or account issue. Go to transaction history, check for pending contributions, pending claims, recent card payment. Pending items can temporarily make your account look incorrect. If your employee contributes to your HSA, those deposits can take 1 to 3 business days to post. If a contribution is missing, confirm it using actual sent by your employer bank. If you invest your HSA fund, some money may be invested, not cash. Your cash balance and total balance can look different. Tap the investment section to see where your money is. If your app isn't working properly, log out and log back in. Update the Health Equity app, try logging in from web browser. This fixes many common issues. If your account still isn't fixed, contact Health Equity customer support. They can help with balance error, card error and amount access problem. Have your account details and transaction dates ready. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.